It's Ivy, and it's time for Dollar General's 5 off 25 Friday and Saturday deals, guys. Let's get in here. Oh, yes, guys. And the clearance is starting on the 14th. Okay, that didn't open up. Clearance started on the 14th, so let's get this going. Okay, guys, so let's get to our first 5 off of 25. Now, I'm going to show you everything we're going to pick up. This deal can be done on Friday or Saturday because we have 2 coupons, okay? One yellow one, and then we have a black bag. One yellow one, black right here for Saturday. One yellow one for Friday. So you could look at either or. You could do either or of these deals. Okay, so this is what you're going to pick up. Sorry, guys. I'm going to pick up one game. And how many is it? Wow, I can't find 18 super size. And then at $9.95, it's a $3 coupon. I have a $3 and a $2 coupon, but $3 coupon is the one I want to use. Then one Colgate at $3.25, it's $7 off of 3. Then one Glade at $2.25, it's $2 off, making it 25 cents. Then 2 of the Febrezes at $3.50, it's a $3.50 off 2. And then one Advanced Warmer at $4, it's a $3 coupon. Okay, we're going to scan each one of these items. All right. First, clip your 5 off 25. If you see scissors, then that means you need to tap it, add the deal, turn it into a check mark. All right. Then gain first. The gain is $9.95. And see all the coupons we have? I'm going to do the $3 coupon, Dollar General. Then you have a spend 30, save 5 DG. And then I have another $2 coupon. All right, so I'm going to only hit the $3 coupon if that's the high value coupon I want to use. Then I'm going to do the Colgate at $3.25. And you have a $7 and a $4 coupon. The $7 one expires tomorrow. Do not let that get away from you guys. Then you have... well, I tried to do the what's the name? It's hard to do it with one hand. Okay, here is the Glade $2.25, and we have a high value $2 coupon, guys. Awesome coupon. Then we're going to do at the Advanced Warmer at $4. We have a $3 coupon that expires tomorrow. And then you have the Febreze Small Space at $3.50, and you have a $3.50 coupon off of 2 that expires on the 22nd. So the ones that expire, guys, tomorrow, use them. So we're going to do $9.95 for the game, $3.25 for each Colgate toothpaste. Then we're going to do $2.25 for the Glade spray, $4 for the warmer, and then $3.50 for each Gain Small Space we had. That takes us to $32.95. Let's see what we can get this down to. The first coupon going to come up is going to be this $3 off of the Gain. Then the 5 off 25. Then the 7 off of the Colgate. The 2 off of the Glade. The 3 off of the warmer, and the $3.50 off of the 2 small space. Leave you at $9.45. Divide that by 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products. $1.18. This is $1.18, guys, for 18 supersize fling. You easily sell this for $7. Okay, guys, let's do this next deal right here, and I am enjoying this. If you want to pick up some tissue, you can. Let's look at this deal. You're going to pick up 2 Scots at $5 each. They are on sale 2 for $8, but we know when it's an instant, you need to cover whatever it is they took off. So you're going to put this in at $10 each because they're $5 each. Then you're going to pick up one Glade at $2.25. We know that that is $2 coupon. You're going to pick 5 of these Colgate Optic Whites at $3.25 up. One is for $3 off of 7, $7 off of 3, and then $4 off of 2. Now, this is how that deal should look, just like that. I scanned the Scott tissue for you. Here it is at $5 for a 12 count. But they have a special going on, 2 for $8, or spend $15, get $3 off. We're not interested in that. We're going to look at the 2 for $8. Now, we know if they 2 for $8 and these are $10 each, they took $1 off each one. So you're going to add that $1 back, okay? Now, let's do our deal. Now, we're going to do $10 for the tissue because they're 5 each, $2.25 for the Glade, $3.25. We're gonna do that 5 times for the Colgate. Okay, it takes you to $28.50. We are well over. The first coupon instant that's going to come off is at $2. It needs to account for that, okay? Then you're going to take your 5 off 25, your 2 off the Glade, your 4 off the 2 Colgate Optic Whites, and then your 7 off the 3 Colgate Optic Whites. It's going to leave you at $8.50. Divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products. Let's see where we at. $1.06. First of all, this is $1.06 for a Scott 12 pack. You cannot beat that, guys. Make sure you do that deal. Let's get to another one. Okay, next deal, guys, right here. You're gonna pick up 2 Love's diapers. Those are the 38 count. 2 for $15, $3 coupon. 1 Glade, 1 Advanced Warmer, and 3 Colgate Optic White. We're gonna only scan the diapers. Okay, $8, $3 coupon. Scissors, clip, tap it. 2 for $15. Okay, so here you go right here. The $8, $3 coupon off 2, and then the offer is 2 for $15. So we need to add an extra $1 on there so we can cover that $1 that they gave us off, right? So here we go. $16 plus $2.25 plus $4 plus $3.25, $3.25, $3.25 equal $32. Take your $3 off, take your 5 off, take your 2 off, take your 3 off again, and take that 7 off. Going to leave you at $12 for 2, or $6 even. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products. We're going to divide that by 7. $1.71. Okay, so these baby diapers are $1.71. You cannot beat that, guys. Let's get to another deal. Guys, I want to scan something. Did you guys get this on your app? Because this is in my DG app, and I'm super excited. See that? $5.75. Look. $6 off 2 and a 5 off 2. Now, which one would you're gonna take this one first, but $6 off 2, so you got 2 of those. Now let's scan the body wash. The body wash is $5.50, and you have 2. $5 off 2 off each one. Awesome deals. Now let's do this deal. Pick up the 4 axes at $5.75. We just looked at those 2 coupons. They're $5 off 2. We have 4 because it's 2 coupons. Then you'll pick up your Glade at $2.25, $2 off coupon. Let's do the math. So we're gonna go $5.75 times 4, take you automatically to $23. Then you're gonna do plus $2.25. Equals $25.25. We're gonna take our 5 off 25, 2 off the Glade, 5 off the 2 axes, 5 off the second axe, leave you at $8.25. Divide that by 5 for 5 products, $1.65. $1.65. And guys, this would make an awesome gift. If you're gonna give gifts away, awesome gifts. Awesome gifts right here. So I will make sure that I do not miss these coupons, because look at that deal. Look at that. Now I want to do this deal. Pick up 1 Advanced Warmer at $4. It's a $3 coupon. Pick 4 Axe body washes up at $5.50. It's a $6 off 2 one, and it's a $5 off 2. Pick all of those up, guys. Okay. Okay. There you go. Let's scan them. There you go at $4. $3 coupon. Now I want to scan the Axe body wash. $5.50. $5 off 2. $5 off 2. $5 off 5s, right? Let's do $5.50 times 4. $22 plus that $4 warmer at $26. Take your 5 off 25. Take your 3 off the warmer. 5 off that axe, 5 off the second axe, leave you at $8. divide that by 5. You're gonna pay $1.60. This is $1.60. You cannot beat this deal, guys. It is awesome. So you want to come to Dollar General this week and collect on Friday and Saturday on some awesome deals, guys. Make sure that you come on and use your 5 off 25 because it's an awesome deal. Don't miss it. Bye.